Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about GALAX Z890 Boomstar motherboard in a white and black flavor. So friend, GALAX has announced its Z890 motherboard which comes in duo of white and black Boomstar series option for Core Ultra 200 SPC. So friend, the motherboard is a featuring a white and black edition for different color theme PC build, and the motherboard feature a large magnetic removable ARGB kit that can customize as per preference, and the RGB lighting is a present of both the IO shroud on the chipset and which can customize for measuring appearance. And the Z890 Boomstar motherboard uses a 8-layer PCB covered in large heatsink from top to bottom and offer properly chrome heatsink for the VRM, and under the heatsink on top, a user will find a robust 18 plus 1 power phase VRM and bringing 98 DrMOS for great stability for overclocking. The Intel Core Ultra 200 series processor, and they are 2 into 8 pin EPS connector on the top left and near the VRM heatsink, and several headers on the top right for fans and cooler. And the motherboard is on par with the most mid-range Z890 motherboard from the manufacturer and brings the latest connectivity such as Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, and the board has a 4 into DIMM and supporting up to 8667 MHz of memory speed with Intel XMP support. And for storage, there is a 5 into M.2 port with native PCI 5.0 support for primary M.2 slot. And at the bottom, there are 4 SATA ports as well, positioning at the right angle for easy cable connection. And they are 3 into PCI into 16 slot, and all them using steel armor for better durability and supporting heavy GPU. At the bottom, GALAX has equipped the board with some troubleshooting options such as error code reader, and the top and user can find Debug LED for basic troubleshooting. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.